Dogs at Work, written by Keith and Sarah Collar Martin. Focus question: how can dogs help people? Introduction. You probably know that some dogs aren't just pets, they hold jobs. What makes dogs a good workers? They learn fast, and they also hear and smell better than we do. This means that dogs can do jobs that people can't. Some of their jobs may surprise you. Service and therapy dogs. Many dogs work with people to help them feel better. These dogs are called therapy dogs. They comfort people and keep them calm. These dogs need to be very friendly. They are also trained to be calm around new places and people. Other dogs help people with disabilities. These dogs are called service dogs. Service dogs can do many different jobs. For example, guide dogs help people who cannot see well. These dogs are trained to keep people from stepping into traffic. Guide dogs also lead their owner around things. Some service dogs help people who can't hear well. These dogs listen for noise, touch their owner, and move toward the noise. Other service dogs help their owner move around. They pull wheelchairs, pick up drop items, press buttons, and open doors. Some service dogs can smell when their owner is about to be sick. For example, dogs can be trained to smell low blood sugar. These dogs can smell changes in blood and warn their owner to eat food or take medicine. Other dogs can smell when a person is about to seizure. These sudden attacks cause body pains and other problems. Service dogs can warn the person before it happens. Search and rescue dogs. Some dogs work to find people who are lost or trapped. These dogs are called search and rescue dogs. Many search and rescue dogs use their nose to find people who need help. Some of these dogs do this by tracking. Tracking dogs put their nose to the ground and follow a smell. Other dogs search for missing people by sniffing the air instead of the ground. These dogs often work in a big search area. They can find lost hikers using only their nose. They can also find people trapped in buildings that have fallen down. Some search and rescue dogs work in the water. Water rescue dogs can pull people to be safety. They can also pull small boats to land. Water rescue dogs need to be strong swimmers. For this reason, big dogs like Newfoundland make good water rescue dogs. These dogs have webbed toes and fur that keeps out water. Plus, they are very strong. 68 kilograms, 150 pounds, Newfoundlands can pull 10 people to safety at once. Detection dogs. Some dogs work as detectives. These dogs are called detection dogs. They help people find things that are hidden. Police use detection dogs often. They use these dogs when a building has burned down. It's may hard to find out whenever someone starts the fire on purpose. The dogs sniff for chemicals that might have been used to start the fire. Police also use detection dogs to find animals. Detection dogs are also used at airports. These dogs search for items that can be brought to another country or on a plane. They can sniff out these things in people's bags. Other detection dogs search for termites in houses and their buildings. Termites damage buildings by eating wood. They are hard for humans to find, but these dogs can find them with their nose. Conclusion. Dogs do many different jobs, from sniffing out termites to pulling a swimmer to be safety. Dogs help humans in many ways. Dogs are strong, smart, and friendly, and they have powerful senses. They are some of the best workers around.